Mais, moi fais musique avant tout parce que j'aime la musique. Moi fais musique avant tout parce que je suis artiste. So, et me dis comme si en tant qu'artiste, m'avait limité inspiration,
Mika Ben had proficiency on a number of instruments, including the bass, drums, guitar, keyboard, and others. On his YouTube channel and Instagram, he frequently posts pictures and videos of himself writing music. He started writing lyrics and singing in high school when he first became passionate about singing.
Comme on dit, puis c'est gars pas qui met. Ouais, ça me dit non, but pas qu'à changer monde que mien parce que nous sommes artistes qui authentique, nous sommes artistes so comme non là même, mais comme ça mien. So, les difficile pour me dire Mika, comme si cat. Est-ce que me ka dit que même je fanatique je dis est-ce que me pas si me pas fixer plus dans carrière moi? On dit que me choisi faire reggae seulement ou bien me choisi faire compas seulement. Est-ce que Haïti c'est ta fait? Est-ce que vous comprenez? C'est son couteau de bollier parce que en même temps si me fixer non gain bail peut-être que Haïti c'est pas t'a exister en tant que musique. Vous comprenez donc moi pas vouloir et moi comprendre un pile fanatique qui dit pour ça Mika gagne comme ça Mika ou bien Mika pas contre ça la fait Mika confuse Mika ceci Mika cela Mika just qu'a fait tout bail là et il est difficile pour comprendre éventail de toute et potentialité ça vraiment que en tant qu'artiste.
He began working as a full-time singer after graduating. He released music on the Mika Ben Productions and Conbeat record labels.
Actuellement là nous Demisman and Dover. C'est le Bélo de vous problème avec si machine là ça Dieu ça.
Haïti c'est belle mer, c'est belle montagne, belle rivière.
Michael Benjamin, better known to young people as Mika Ben, was born in 1981 and he was a well-known musician, songwriter, vocalist, and composer from Haiti. Sources claim that Mika Ben began his solo career in the late 1990s.
Haïti, mon pays, ma patrie, moi vite parler non non chérie.
He was a versatile musician who was alternated between being a vocalist, a composer, and producer. Mika Ben was one of the few musicians of his generation who can perform flawlessly in any genre, whether it be the traditional Haitian compas, world music, Antillean Zouk, dance hall, Jamaican reggae, or R&B, hip-hop, accompanied by his guitar or a full band.
Son of famous musician Lionel Benjamin from Haiti. In Haiti, Mika Ben received his basic education at a private school. His academic performance was ordinary. He received his degree from a prestigious private university in Haiti.
Mika Ben began his career as a solo singer and performer in the late 90s. He got his first award for the song Sad Christmas, Noël Triste, organized by Telemax, a local TV station in Haiti.
Yon 24 décembre, moi t'as marché dans la rue Port-au-Prince. C'est avec tristesse, moi rencontré un petit pauvre petit moi. Pour moi ça c'est pas noir.
C'est avec tristesse, moi rencontré un petit pauvre petit moi. Pour moi ça c'est pas Noël. Son fleuve misère capé coulé ou capable trouver le bel.
Mika Ben released 2 albums entitled Yajaj in 2000 and Mika in 2004. In 2005, he became the lead singer of a new Haitian compa group called Crazy Music. He released the first Crazy Music album in 2006 titled Haiti San Manti. His father, a popular musician from Haiti during the 1980s, actor, and scientist Lionel Benjamin was born in Port-au-Prince, Haiti, in 1945. Benjamin's first album was released in 1979, and during the next 2 years, he would release 2 more. Although Benjamin was well-liked by jazz and easy-listening enthusiasts, it was his 1981 Christmas CD, Lionel Benjamin, that catapulted him to fame. His most popular song, Abdinwul, was featured on this album. Lionel Benjamin has been influencing Haiti's Christmas sounds with his cheerful music for the past 40 years. In Haiti, Lionel Benjamin became known as Père Noël as a result of the success of his holiday single Abdinwul. He is essentially recognized as Santa Claus himself in Haiti. The Haitian Times reported what Lionel Père Noël Benjamin means to the people of Haiti over a decade ago. It seems that I never left Haiti every time they mention Lionel Benjamin, one fan said. Another added, for me. A Christmas concert with Lionel Benjamin is a time of pure joy and youth, describing the chance to see him perform live as a dream come true.
Mika Ben's mother, Rosaline Benjamin, is a psychologist, a mediator for peace, and CEO of IDEO. On his social media, he has posted a lot of pictures of his parents. In terms of siblings, he has 2 brothers. He did, however, belong to a mixed-race ethnicity and practice the Christian religion.
According to close friends and family, Mika Ben was a responsible husband and father of his 2 kids. He was a married man, and the couple was enjoying a happy life together and often shared images on their social media. Mika Ben's son Gabriel Benjamin is from his previous relationship and has a daughter from his wife, and she is expecting her second child with Benjamin.
Is this love? Yo, yo, yo. Musique ça dédicacé pour tout massif capte des...
Mika Ben's wife, Vanessa Fanm, is a famous Haitian-American nursing instructor, professor, celebrity partner, media face, and entrepreneur, a social media influencer and internet personality. Vanessa also collaborated with many famous brands including Cooker's Closet, TaxFit LLC, and others. We found that Vanessa was born and raised in Port-au-Prince, Haiti. She is a well-educated woman. According to the reports, she joined a local school for her primary education. Later, she attended a reputed university for her higher education in the medical and health field. After that, she began working as a nurse.
Mika Ben was a polyglot who was able to sing in Kreyol, French, English and Spanish.
On y va.
He discovered very early a passion for music. At 15 years old, he already offered his first composition to the public. At 16 years old, having decided to leave for Canada to continue his studies, and continued to dedicate himself to his art.
Michael Benjamin was a real star in the West Indies. After living in Montreal for a few years, he returned to release his 4th solo album, Mikaben, in the metropolis, in collaboration with stars such as Elephant Man and Kevin Little. It was therefore with great enthusiasm that, during his visit to town, Mika Ben shared his favorite addresses, when asked where his passion for music began. I like all the festivals in Montreal, but I particularly like the Nuits d'Afrique Festival and the Reggae Festival. These are 2 events that really mark me. First, you have to know that I love African music, because it is part of my roots, and as a musician, I try to incorporate this sound into my songs. I love culture. She reminds me of mine. For the Reggae Festival, I remember seeing the band Steel Pulse in concert. It was the first time I discovered such a great reggae band, and seeing them on stage was impressive. He said, His favorite restaurant in Montreal was Entrecôte Saint-Jean. I would say that my favorite of all is L'Entrecôte Saint-Jean, he said. It's a must for me when I come to Montreal. Entrecôte Saint-Jean, located in the heart of Vieux-Quebec, is a jewel of a UNESCO World Heritage Site, just a few steps from Street Jean Gate. Since opening in 1983, its Paris and Geneva-inspired French style has been its trademark: steak, fries, and secret sauce. With its stone walls and outdoor terrace in summer, you can enjoy a warm and savory experience in a charming French bistro ambience. Port Saint-Jean in Quebec City, Wish is a popular spot for both city residents and tourists. In addition to all the restaurants, bars, and shops, and its surroundings are also Youville Square, Artillery Park, and the Capitol Theatre. According to Radio Canada, published on October 19, 2022 by Francesca Maranti, journalist from Toronto. A few days after the unexpected death of singer-songwriter Michael Benjamin, well known by the stage name Mika Ben, the Haitian community is still in mourning. There are many people on social media who continue to express their dismay. Mika Ben and Marie-Jeanine Maillard first connected at the University of Montreal. In 1995, they were both students. She said, "I studied psychology and communication. We scheduled evenings from 5 to 7. Michael performed music, and he was always happy. He was available and open all the time. He was happy all the time. He was a singer, DJ, and composer. Everyone desired to collaborate with him." She invited Mika Ben to give a performance at the Compas Zouk Ontario Festival in Toronto in 2015. The musician was also supposed to perform a brand new show at this festival the following year. He won't, however, be at the meeting place. The festival president has an idea that hurts his heart. Marie-Jeanine Maillard reveals with a sob that she acted as the go-between to connect Mika Ben and Drake. Mika stated that she desired for Haitian music to be known abroad. She claimed that he wanted to be among the first Haitians to work with Drake.
I wanna feel your body close to mine. 'Cause you're the only thing on my mind.
As an artist, Mika Ben composed, produced, and performed on albums by Carimi several pieces to success, including Baby I Missed You. On the other hand, he has also collaborated with T-Vice, Leila Chicot, Kreyol, his father Lionel, Bélo, Stanley Georges, Alan Cava, Izolan, Olivier Duret, J. Perry, Wesli Band, to name a few.
I think you got me under a spell. You left the whisper of your smell on my skin. Girl, I can't wait to hear you say, baby, I missed you. Oh, I missed you. Baby, I missed you. I know, and girl, I miss you too. Yeah, baby, I missed you. Oh, I missed you. Baby, I miss you. I know, and girl, I miss you too.
For the distribution of 4 full albums, Mika Ben Productions signed a license and distribution agreement with Warner Music France, one of the company's subsidiaries. As part of this contract, the song T-Pam Nan, as in My, was formally launched on the European market on July 29, 2016, and it was later included on the MKBN album that was released in 2018. On May 4, 2018, the eclectic album MKBN was made available. There are 18 songs on this musical offering from the talented Mika Ben, including Ayabobo, a collaboration with Paul Beaubrun, son of Mans and LL of the group Bookman Experience, as well as the well-known T-Pam Nan, a duet with J. Perry.
According to Wikipedia, Warner Music Group Corp. commonly abbreviated as WMG, is an American multinational entertainment and record label conglomerate headquartered in New York City. It is one of the big three recording companies and the third largest in the global music industry, after Universal Music Group, UMG, and Sony Music Entertainment. With a multi-billion-dollar annual turnover, WMG employs more than 3,500 people and has operations in more than 50 countries throughout the world. The company owns and operates some of the largest and most successful labels in the world, including Elektra Records, Reprise Records, Warner Records, Parlophone Records, formerly owned by EMI, and Atlantic Records. WMG also owns Warner Chappell Music, one of the world's largest music publishers.
Si vous m'avez chanté, c'est pour Tipa, Natipa. La femme a prié, c'est pour tout ça posséder, c'est pour.
It was in June 2009 that his career took a decisive turn. Mika Ben decided to restart as a single player and terminated its collaboration with Crazy Music as lead vocal. In 2010, after the earthquake, it expresses its sorrow at the suffering of his country through a poignant composition entitled Tissouf for Haiti. This position inspires the creation of Tissouf Foundation, whose mission is to bring joy to the children of his country. The summer following the quake, Mika Ben released a compilation entitled Addis Local Jam Pap Lage, which has had great success in Haiti. Mika Ben and his band have toured the US, Canada, the Caribbean, France, Belgium, and more.
Le moment passé dans le artiste, honnêtement, c'est l'époque Haïti Loubadou. C'était expliquer niveau de solidarité, de fraternité, de cohésion, de comment on dit ça, chemistry qui existait entre les musiciens, tout belle musiciens, qui a tout carré ça, qui évolue sur le même stage, incomparable. Donc,
Michael Benjamin, Mika Ben, passed away on October 15, 2022. After suffering a heart arrest during his performance at the historic return of Carimi to the Accor Arena in Paris. This date will forever be etched in the memories of Haitian music fans of all generations. One of his generation's most talented and varied performers has left Haiti. Mika's followers, family, the cultural press, and the Haitian music community are all in deep sorrow.
Donc, conseil moi vraiment c'est que vraiment connaître qu'on a potentiel là. Et puis faut pas parce qu'on va venir là pour contour, faut un petit maro cap gérer essayer de bagarre pour parce que qu'on y a mon son monde qui est très agressif et un pile monde cap travail team, so pas travailler pour contour. Et puis bien sûr, rester original, rester humble, parce que l'humilité c'est premier pour gagner succès dans quelque chose qu'on fait. Rester humble, et puis toujours comme si il y a un bon l'air à tout le monde. Parce que je ne vais pas essayer de pif à personne. On parle pour moi, même si on n'est pas aucun. Je ne suis ni vraiment. Je ne suis pas face, mais si je ne suis pas face, c'est ou même qui a un problème. Moi, pas que